Most teams are still chasing status across separate spreadsheets for production, materials, and shipping, which makes it hard to see the full picture of a job. Supply Chain Manager brings all production and material status into one place, so you can see everything that's in motion across your projects. Here we're on the Production Status tab. This view shows every production order in the system, regardless of which module it lives in or what stage it's in, so you're not jumping between different screens just to understand where things stand. I can filter by project to focus on a single job, then quickly reorganize the list by name, stage, or the percentage of work steps that are complete. When I click into a specific order, I get a drop-down with all of its work steps, along with key details like productivity scores, start and end dates, planned hours, and actual hours. That means I can see not just whether something is in progress, but how it's actually performing against the plan. The Material Status tab uses the same familiar layout, but for material orders. I can see all material orders in one place, sort by any of the column headers, and then expand an order to see exactly which items are included in that shipment. On mobile, the same Supply Chain Manager data is available from the field. I can sort and filter orders from my phone, then open a production order and quickly move through its tabs for key dates, order items, order materials, and notes. That gives me the context I need without going back to the trailer or opening a laptop. For material orders, I get a similar list view on mobile. I tap into an order to see its key dates and order items, so I know what's coming, when it's supposed to arrive, and what's at risk. With Supply Chain Manager, you move from scattered spreadsheets to a single view of production and material status, on the web and in the field, so you can keep prefab and deliveries aligned without guesswork.